veins. Daddy all steel through sleet and rain. Peterbilt keys hung by the door, and a boot scuff trailed across the floor. Mama said, he ain't home much, son, but he rolls so you can run. I pressed my ear to that old CB, just hoping he'd call out to me. Breaker 19, can you hear me tonight? You boys all grown and I'm driving right. I'm hauling your flag down this same old line. Breaker 19, I'm doing just fine. I took the rig the day he passed, still smelled like sweat and pumping gas. The seat was torn, his gloves were there, a little Bible tucked beneath the spare. I keyed the mic with a shaky hand, said eastbound, run 40 through the pan. Some old-timer answered with a sigh, said that's your daddy's rig, son, he was one good guy. Breaker 19, I still hear your sound. 10-4, daddy, I won't let you down. The white lines roll and the long nights grind. Breaker 19, you're still in my mind. Now I got a boy who waves at trucks, points and smiles when one kicks up dust. Sometimes I swear I hear your voice when that static sings through all the noise. Breaker 19, can you hear me tonight? Your boy's all grown and I'm driving right. I'm hauling your flag down this same old line. Breaker 19, I'm doing just fine.